automatic laminating machine from GRAET company. This is a paper feeding unit. The feeder max speed is 12,000 per hour. Now we see the dust removal unit. Paper delivery frontally from the feeding unit. Enter into the dust removal unit. This is a side guide. This is a host unit. Machine adopts electromagnetic heating system. Pay attention to the film. The film is spot film laminating. Now the speed of the running is 40 meters per minute. Pay attention to the film. This is a slitting knife holder. Waste film collector. Water-based gluing and thermal laminating. After laminating, paper enters into the cutting unit. This device is chain knife cutting. Chain knife cutting and bounce skip. Then enter into the collector unit. Pay attention to the effective of the spot film laminating. Very accuracy. The spot film laminating very accuracy. Check the state of the film.